Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Dina.
And we're here at
Westin Chicago River North.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Westin Chicago River North, staying in the Corner Riverview King. So in this video, we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at, some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is our room right here, 1427. Now this is the One King River View corner. So as soon as you enter, you got your bathroom with your tub on the corner here, all your amenities, and then your shower head. And a quick pan of the bathroom here. So you got your countertop with everything you need, your towels, and then large vanity. And then exiting out of the room, closet here with your in-room safe, with your hangers and your rope, and the ironing board and iron as well. And then the king room itself. So a very spacious room. You got your large king, your TV on the front end here with the dresser, the drawers right in front. Then you also got a mirror here as well. And then here you'll also find your mini fridge. Some water, icebox, coffee maker, work desk, a little seating area on the corner here. And then let's just look at the view. You can hear the Chicago sirens going off. But yeah, this is right by the Chicago River, so beautiful view. So your king bed with the corner end tables. You got electrical sockets right on the side, readily available for you with the USB ports. So this concludes the room tour. Let's see what else this place has to offer. Back in the lobby, you'll find the hotel's restaurant, 320 River Bar. You can also access this restaurant from the outside along the river. Other amenities include a 24-hour fitness center equipped with all the best equipment. They even have massage guns for you to use. And valet parking up front. Well, there you folks have it, Westin Chicago River North. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye, subscribe.